Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. BBSM all set for Goa Bandh on Monday. Government warns lawbreakers of stern action. Police force deployed. BJP says police harassing party workers. Preventive arrest likely. Baba Ramdev evicted from Delhi to Haridwar. Government cracks down on strike with lathi charge and tear gas. Baba says government wanted to kill him. Organizations condemn government's action. National Executive of BJP demands inquiry under Human Rights Commission in Bali carnage. National Executive gets fact-finding report. Riya Sawant sets her sights on open tournaments to better her ranking. The Under-11 national champ returns home after winning gold in Ahmedabad. And Dempo Sports Club are Kingfisher Goa Professional League champs. Players can't be kept against their will in the side, says Maurice Afonso on the departure of Beto and Kalu. Now the news in detail. Goa is likely to witness a major bandh of return times on Monday. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch and BJP has claimed the proposed bandh to be peaceful. However, the government has warned lawbreakers of stern action. Policemen have been deployed in sensitive areas. Meanwhile, BJP has accused police of harassing the party men. Party says preventive arrest won't alter the plans.
The bandh called by Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch is expected to have a major impact across Goa. Bandh is in protest for government's decision to give grants to the English primary schools. Bharatiya Janata Party will also participate in this bandh. As a counter-strategy, police have issued notices to certain individuals to avoid any untoward incidents. BJP's party men have also been served these notices.
बंद पार्टीचो आमी कार्यकर्त्यांक सगळ्यांक सूचना आयल्या की अत्यंत शांतता पीसफुल बंद हो करपा खातीर आनी कालचे दिल्ली जाल्ल्या घटनेमुळे मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन अदीक त्या घटनेचो निषेध म्हणून कडकडीत बंद करचो अशें आमी आव्हान सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांक केलें. मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन आनी करप्शन हाजेर लोकायुक्त बिलाच्या संदर्भात खास अधिवेशन बोलवून चर्चा जावची अशी मागणी भारतीय जनता पक्ष करीत.
Group of youth supporting regional languages and connected by the Facebook are also taking part in the bandh. 6th June is also the day of school reopening. It is still not clear how many schools will remain open on Monday, but schools backed by Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch are expected to remain closed. Meanwhile, Registrar of Goa University informed that the engineering exams scheduled on Monday have been postponed to 8th June. Police claim that they have adequate force across the state to control the situation. Sources say police are likely to move for preventive arrest of certain individuals on Sunday night or by early Monday.
मागणी करपा प्रत्येका अधिकार आसा. कायदो घेवपा अधिकार तितलो ना. कोणीच कायदो हातीक घेवचो न्हू आनी इतर लोकांक तेणी त्रास करचे न्हू. जी इवन जी भुरगीं जी शाळेक इस्कुला वयतात जे आसा कॉलेजी वयतात आनी पयले दीस आनी हे पयले दिसा भुरग्यांचे तेणी पयले दिसा तांकां भुरग्यांची उमेद मोडची न्हू.
On the other hand, Transport Department has issued strong warning to one section of bus owners who have threatened to participate in the bandh. Kadamba bus services will remain operational on Monday. However, private bus owners have informed that they will participate in the bandh. Meanwhile, NCP has clarified that the party is not supporting the bandh. BBSM had earlier claimed support of NCP for the bandh.
In no way the NCP is taking part in the bandh. The NCP's party stand is that to avoid confusion and unrest among different sections of society, a committee of educational experts should be appointed by the government and the government should act as per that experts' findings.
Normal life is expected to be badly affected by this bandh across Goa, but Manch has already made clear that this bandh is just one step in the agitation. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Baba Ramdev has been evicted from Delhi to Haridwar. Police swooped down on Baba Ramdev a little past midnight and detained him after firing tear gas shells and resorting to lathi charge on his supporters to end his day-old indefinite hunger strike. Baba has claimed that government wanted to kill him. The BJP, India Against Corruption, Bharat Swabhiman and the other supporting organizations have strongly condemned the government's act.
रोते रहे और इस तरह से उनको पीट रहे थे, उतना अत्याचार तो कोई जालिम, कोई कत्लखानों में जानवर काटने वाला भी नहीं करता। यदि हम अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को उत्तेजित होने से न रोकते तो सरकार हजारों लोगों की लाशें बिछाने वाली। इसने तो इमरजेंसी को भी धकेल दिया पीछे। जलियांवाला कांड जैसा कांड करने की तैयारी थी, हजारों लोगों को भूनने की तैयारी थी गोलियों से।
The dramatic police action came after 46-year-old yoga guru and the government had accused each other the previous night of betrayal on mutual assurances. The drama that broke the midnight calm in Ram Leela Maidan a little after 1 a.m. unfolded when large number of police personnel descended at the protest venue where Ramdev Baba was demanding immediate action to bring back black money stashed in foreign tax havens. After daybreak, police cleared all the remnants of Baba's support by evicting his followers from the protest site amid stiff resistance. Baba Ramdev was detained as he was leaving the site. He was also allowed to go out of Delhi and headed to Haridwar. The BJP has condemned the act of government and has termed it as barbaric and anti-democratic.
मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की ओर से यूपीए कांग्रेस सरकार की स्तुति का प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह जी और कांग्रेस की अध्यक्षा सोनिया गांधी जी इनका तीव्र शब्दों में निषेध करता हूं, धिक्कार व्यक्त करता हूं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता समाज के सभी लोगों को साथ लेकर 24 घंटे का सत्याग्रह का कार्यक्रम जगह जगह पर करेंगे।
सरकार ने रामदेव बाबा का जो अनशन शुरू हो गया था, उनके साथ जो दुर्व्यवहार किया है, ये तो लोकशाही का गला घोटने वाली बात है। तो कुछ दोष हो सकता है, लेकिन ये बात नहीं कि रात को, आधी रात को आप पुलिस वाले जाकर उनको पिटाई करना।
India Against Corruption, Bharat Swabhiman and other supporting organizations from Goa too have reacted strongly against this act of government.
आम्ही मागतात की फक्त भारत सरकारानूच न्ही तर भारताच्या प्रत्येक राज्यात जितली जितली काँग्रेस सरकार आसात तांच्यांनी दिमीचेर बसून भारताच्या सगळ्या जनतेची माफी मागपाची म्हणून।
आयज रामदेव बाबाचेर हात घालून सरकारान आमचेर हात घातला अशें आमकां दिसता आनी आमी निषेध करपाक आमचे कडेन आयज शब्द ना। आमची कृती जी आसा ती येणाऱ्या काळान सरकाराक दाखोवन दितले की तेंची ही कितली मोठी चूक असली। पुर्तुगीज आणि ब्रिटीश आमकां परवडले अशी म्हणपाची पाळी आयज ह्या सरकारान आमचेर हाडलेली आसा।
With bureau inputs, reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.